Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobe. Kelly Khumalo, who is a singer and a mother of two, is always trending ever since her then boyfriend Senzo Meyiwa passed away at her home, and others believe that he was killed by Kelly Khumalo allegedly. Kelly Khumalo recently had an interview with Relebohile Mabocha about how she's coping with all the external noise and scrutiny around her alleged involvement in a cover-up of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. Kelly said, "I'm not coping, I'm living." And secondly, the noise is external. It has absolutely nothing to do with me. When I'm needed and when the time is right, the world will hear my voice. So whatever noise they are making has absolutely nothing to do with me. Kelly went on to add how this isn't the only case that has been a failure in South African justice system, but just because she's included, it's being magnified and made to seem like something peculiar. Her comments during the interview have since been widely circulating on social media, with one particular eyebrow-raising comment in which Kelly appeared to discredit Meyiwa's status of the time of his death, sparking debate. Kelly said in a viral clip, "First of all, I was Kelly Khumalo before Senzo Meyiwa. I didn't know who Senzo Meyiwa was until a friend of mine explained to me who he was. Nobody knew who Senzo Meyiwa was until he was attached to the brand Kelly Khumalo." That was an extraordinary statement given the circumstances. While there are some that agree, many others on Twitter were not buying it. Towards the end of her reality show, Kelly Khumalo went so far as to launch an attack on Meyiwa's family. She had a conversation with her friend Wanda Baloyi and said that family did not love Senzo. They never loved him. He was a cash cow. You know, the first thing that woman, his mother, said when Senzo passed on, "Who's going to feed us? Your son is dead. The only thing you are thinking about is flipping food." She went on to add how he will give all his money to his family and be left broke, which forced her to take care of him. In an interview she had on ENCA, sitting alongside her lawyer Magdalene Mnsami, she said, "We have a problem in our country, and it's not just about Kelly Khumalo the musician. This is about an individual in the pits and darkest place of wherever it is, where they lose loved ones, and justice is just not served." I once said something about this on my Instagram page. To my surprise, I had a lot of people saying they support and agree with what I am saying, because there are some of the South African citizens who have been robbed of justice in this country because for some reason the law is not playing the part it is supposed to play. That is what every South African is going through. Kelly also added that she has had her and her family's lives threatened multiple times. She said, "I feel like the law is not coming into place to protect and make me feel like it is within my right to have protection for myself and family." Do you think Kelly Khumalo is responsible for Meyiwa's death? Share your thoughts on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.